Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So I bought a microphone so that I can try filming at night because yeah, it's pretty much impossible lately to get videos in. I don't have childcare or regular childcare I should say. So yeah, I'm gonna try this and see how it goes. Hopefully no one wakes up. Um and hopefully there isn't too much ruffling with the microphone. I did test it out and it's pretty good, pretty sensitive though, so hopefully it all works out. Today I wanted to open up a couple fashionistas. This is the glare fashionista 188, and she is absolutely beautiful. I'm very happy I got her. She is on a curvy body though. And obviously, you've all seen the back. You can't really see anyway. And then I believe this is 177. Yeah. Now, I'm not too sure about face sculpts or anything, but yeah, those are all the different dolls. And I have a lot of them. There's a few that I don't have though. Or I guess more than a few, but I do have quite a few of them. Anyway, yeah, and then I also found this doll at Giant Tiger, and I just thought she was so beautiful, and I've never seen these dolls before. There was also Millie Barbie, sorry, lost my train of thought. But I opened her. She was in a really cute yellow floral dress, kind of very similar to this. And yeah, I just really like their pretty and simple dresses, and her face though is why I bought it, because I don't think I have a doll that looks like that. Anyways, I'm also going to I already took it out of here, but I'm going to open up a couple fashion packs. There's in this one with the daisy, I guess these are daisies, with yellow flower dress, and then this really cute sheer coat or whatever those things are called, and then shorts. These look like they're gonna fit on a curvy, so that was one of the reasons why I chose number 188. And then also this super cute fashion pack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do it a little bit differently than I normally do. I'm going to stop the camera, take everything out, then show it to you, and then try on all the fashions. So let's get to it, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so everything is out of the box. Trying to talk as clear and as quiet and as loud as possible here. I positioned my mic a little bit differently. Hopefully you can hear me. So let's just get started with dolls. So this one, keep getting them mixed up. Okay, this one is 188, and she is absolutely beautiful. I wonder if I should change the lighting. No, that's all right. But yeah, look at her face, and I mean, I can't even tell if she has pixelation, but she looks pretty good to me, and I think she's absolutely beautiful. And her face looks really good. The face paint, her lips, everything, it looks absolutely perfect to me. I can't, if there's anything wrong with her, I can't tell. But she has this really cute, I have heard some mixed reviews about the dress, but I actually quite like it. It would look really nice with like a black belt around it, I think, to make it a little bit tighter, maybe. And maybe a jean jacket or something. but I quite like it, and I like how it's hemmed, it's not just cut. And she got a cute little pink necklace that spells love, and I just can't get over how pretty she is. And her hair is just, it feels so soft, so soft. And she has flat feet, but she has these cute little pink sneakers. And of course, there's Velcro at the back. And yeah, so that's 188. I don't know any of their names of face sculpts except for the Millie face sculpt, obviously. And that's something that is something I would like to learn going forward. But yeah, I don't know. She's just beautiful. So the next one is the 177. And oh yeah, so the necklace was her accessory, but 177, I don't know, but her hair is absolutely so super soft. I can't even believe it. Like the other girl, she just has really soft hair, but hers is just gorgeous. Look at it. And this must be saran hair because it is absolutely beautiful and super soft. And again, her face is so pretty. I absolutely had to have this doll. And then I am a sucker for rings. I don't know why, but I really love rings. And she's got this really cute translucent butterfly ring. It's a knuckle ring, I guess, because it goes around her whole hand. And she got some really cute purple sandal type high heels, and they're really pretty. And yeah, so she's got this really cute half pink, half red with flowers dress. In the lighting, it almost looks like a purplish pink, but I really do think it's such a cute dress. And yeah, I'm not very fond of like the straight arm down stance. Just seems so stiff, but she's still, at least she has high heels. And yeah, there's not much else to say about her. I do like the puffy sleeves, and they have an elastic to keep them nice, and everything is really nicely stitched and hemmed. Like these, both of the dresses are hemmed and stitched really well for a fashionista. That's quite amazing, and all of it is Velcro. I just can't get over how soft her hair is. That's another look of her. And then the very last doll, I wanted to show you, it says 2018 on the box, but this is the, I don't even know if you could see that, the barcode, if you were interested in, and like has lots of different languages on here. But yeah, it says 2018 on here, so that's pretty interesting. And I just found her this last year, so yeah, she's really cute. Let's get her in here. Oh, I didn't even take her hair out. Let's do that now. She's actually got really nice hair too. It's hard to tell. I'm still not a professional at knowing hair type, but it does feel the same as the other ones. It does feel like saran hair, so it's really nice and really soft. Um, yeah, and but look at that face. Like I have never, maybe I have, but it was just painted differently. And yeah, hopefully you can hear everything I'm saying. But she has this beautiful purple flower dress with orange and yellow and orange flowers and green, and goes all the way around. And this too is hemmed and stitched really nicely all the bottom and around the top and around the arms. And she has these super cute gray silver pumps. And they have like a little rosette on the front. I really like these shoes. Her feet look so petite compared to the other doll, but it's probably just the shoe. But yeah, I just really love her face. I really love, and she's got blue eyes with dark hair. I really love that too. So yeah, I don't know any made to move matches or anything, or if I'm going to rebody them. I probably will, maybe. I haven't gotten really into that as of yet. But let's get into the clothing pieces. So the first, well, the smaller fashion pack came with this really cute skirt here. It has a white elastic around the top, and then a red hem on the bottom, and then the top is kind of cinched in the middle, and it's super cute. And then it also came with this bow or ribbon tied headband. It's kind of like a turquoise blue. Ah, the light is terrible. And then it also came with this super cute, it's kind of almost see-through purple with a daisy. This is terrible. There we go. And it is a little bit see-through. It's hard to tell on camera. But yeah, it's really cute. And that was it for the fashion pack. And the other one obviously came with this really cute see-through. Why can I not remember the name of these things? It's not a shawl. It's like I don't know. It's what you put over your over your shirts. It's really cute though, and it has sunflowers all over it. That's what those flowers are called. And then these really stiff shorts, which will fit a curvy Barbie, and they are stitched on details. And then I really love this dress with more sunflowers. And again, everything is hemmed and stitched really nice with black straps and Velcro in the back. And then this is such a cute and simple yellow top with Velcro in the back. And I love how it's just a simple yellow shirt. You can use this with so many different outfits. And then for the accessories, came with this really cute little see-through pink purse. And you can actually put maybe a phone or something in there. Phone and lipstick. And then these really cute yellow sunglasses. We've seen these on the Barbie extras, but in different colors. So yeah, that's everything that came in the fashion pack. So now I'm going to redress all the dolls and I'll be right back. Okay, so they're all ready. I'm sure this is still working. I'm so excited how they all turned out. Okay, so we're going to go with the number 188 Fashionista first. I can't believe she looks so good. I used the yellow shirt and the jean shorts on her, and I gave her the glasses, but I think sunglasses on Barbies look silly, so, well, not always, but these ones do. Show you. Like, I don't know, I don't think they look, they look more like goggles than, so I put them up and they look really good in her hair. I think that looks really cute. And then none of the fashions came with shoes, so I'm using the yellow shoes that came with like the Daisy from the Dreamhouse Adventures series. She came with like a little travel case and everything. Yeah, and she fits. She was a curvy Barbie, so these fit her really nice, and I just think that she really pulls this look off really, really good. and I think she looks amazing. Okay, so that is doll number 1. I wonder if I could put them here. My Christmas house. There's one. Okay, then the second doll was the Fashionista 177, and I think she turned out so cute too. I used the pink, or not pink, the black dress with the sunflowers. Oops. And then I used the pink sheer cover for her, and I just think it looks really good. She looks good with it on or off. I mean, and that yellow shirt, I'm pretty sure can be used underneath this dress too. There it is off the shoulder, so it looks good with or without. And this dress actually fits a regular Barbie really, really well. I was a little worried it was going to be too baggy, but it actually fits really, really well. And then for shoes, these were just some cheap shoes that I got with some like Barta fashions. They gave you like a ton of shoes, and these were one of them. So I mean, I think they look really good. Sorry, someone woke up there for a minute. Also, I wanted to correct. I said Barta. I believe it's actually Barwa, and you could find them on Amazon. Anyway, um, yeah, so it's basically her outfit, and then I gave her this pink translucent purse to complete the look, but she can't seem to hang on to it, and it keeps falling, and I think that's what woke her up. So, yeah, I think it looks really cute with her, and that's her look. She's just gonna sit back here. She's a bit stiff. And then the last, but definitely not least, look of the night is her. I think she turned out so cute. I really love this look on her. I love her tan skin, and yeah, she really pulls this look off. I did give her Fashionista 188's necklace, and then I gave her Fashionista 177's butterfly ring because she's got pink and purple in her outfit, and then she has the purple purse and the turquoise headband. And I actually noticed that they do have like a little bit of blue and turquoise in the dress in these flowers here. You can really see it, but yeah, it all comes together really nice. And I put on from the same package of shoes. They're actually not bad. These are like, they're not the most flimsy shoes like some of the Barbie shoes. But yeah, they're not the most solid either. But they are pretty decent, and they're a pretty little light pastel pink. And I just think she looks really, really good. So yeah, I don't know who this doll is. And I don't even know what the line, this Barbie line is. If you know, I've never seen it before and I haven't seen it since. So, yeah, I don't know. But she's gorgeous and I'm so happy to have her. And finally out of the box. Let's have one last look at all of the dolls. And sorry. Oh, and I forgot to say that these two dolls, her and her, come on the regular original Barbie body, and she's a curvy body, obviously. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching all the different cool outfits, and let me know which look was your favorite and which doll is your favorite. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous evening, everyone. Bye.